In this short overview, we'll be showing you how to send and track your first secure message with the DataMotion Secure Message Delivery API. To get started, first visit the DataMotion Self-Service Center. Once inside the portal, you'll see a collection of API and pre-built services for you to try out. For any of our APIs, you will need to first create a DataMotion account. To do so, click Login and fill out the fields provided to you. After submitting this form, you'll receive an email with a two-factor authentication code. Copy this code to your clipboard and paste it on the screen when prompted. After completing this step, click Try Now in the Secure Message Delivery API tile. A $25 credit will automatically be applied to your account for you to use while testing out the API. Now, let's send our first message. First, go ahead and create your first application. Next, you'll need to generate an API key. To do so, click the plus symbol. Upon doing so, you'll see a box pop up containing your API secret. Copy this to your clipboard and store it in a safe place. You will not be able to view this again later. Next, head on back to the Getting Started tab. We're ready to send a message. Head on down to the How Do I feature and enter the X API secret and the X API key that we generated earlier. You'll notice that the From and To fields will be pre-populated with the email address you used to create your account. You can then go ahead and fill out the message subject and text body. Click Submit, and now that you've successfully sent your message, you'll see a 200 OK status code and a response body. You should also have received a message in your inbox. Now, you're going to want to track that message to ensure it's delivered and opened by your intended recipient. Click Track a Message and follow the same process as before to send a new message. Next, you'll need your transaction ID from the previously sent message. Place this into the appropriate field and click Submit. You will then receive a response detailing whether or not your message was opened, the date it was opened, and more. That's it! You've now successfully sent and tracked your first message with the Secure Message Delivery API. For more in-depth technical information, visit our Documentation tab. Happy innovating!